Okay, so today we are going to mount this touchscreen panel to the wall, and we have here my assistant. This is the bracket that we use to mount it on the wall. It comes together with the monitor. So we already made a hole. Can I move it? Okay, we made a hole and we use a what we call wall plug, which is like this. This is the wall plug. Fill the hole and make sure it is horizontal, perfectly horizontal, by using this apps, Android apps. It's called, what's the apps?
Bubble level.
Bubble level. So as you can see, it's 0. So it is perfectly horizontal, and we make a hole. This is where we are going to mount the monitor. So now we will screw this bracket. It's a very slim, super slim bracket. You can mount it on the wall. Alright. Okay, so we are going to mount it on the wall. Okay. Okay, what we do is kita akan mount one side. Okay, all the way. Okay, this one we're gonna use the bubble level again because we might made some mistake. Alright, so this is where we need to adjust. Is it? Okay, so we have to push it up. Now we tighten it to make sure it's perfect. Okay, so everything else just follows. So we have prepared the bracket mounted on the wall. So let's check at the back of the monitor. As you can see, there's 4 holes here. So this is a screw that we don't have to tight it too much, just enough. Okay, see, it doesn't have to be too tight. Okay, all right, so let's see, where's the top? This on top. Okay, all right, so this is 32 inch, can be assembled by one person. Oh, it's already done. Okay, it's perfect match and very nice. Okay, so can you lift it up? So it can be easily lifted up, and maybe you want to tighten it some more. Okay, see. Make sure it gets stuck on the hole. We're supposed to go here and then alright. So okay. So here you go. That is the 32-inch wall mount, successfully mounted on the wall. Okay, nice. This is a capacitive touch, 32 inch. There's a Wi-Fi cables here, and of course there's a Cat 5 and power cable through here. So that's it. Thank you for watching. For more inquiries on touchscreen kiosk, touchscreen monitor, please visit our website at www.isra.my. Thank you.